Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on this tiny little sycamore that I acquired in October 2022. Now, after doing my back in and not being able to work, I spent a lot of time binge watching YouTube and I came across Jonas at Bonsai Cornwall. I came across his videos and I munched my way through nearly all of them at the time and decided to myself, I'm going to give that a go. So this was the very first thing I acquired, and I'll put a picture up of when I first got it, and it was tiny, had a couple of little buds on either side, and I then did a live repot, probably, was it maybe last year? Yeah, I'm going to repot it again this year, but it's grown a hell of a lot in 3 years, and I'm going to be putting it into this pot today. So I'll set you up and we'll carry on. Right, the first thing I need to do is to take it out of the pot. I'm not sure, there's a few roots underneath here. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this, that I've managed to keep it alive for two and a half years for a start. It looks pretty cool last year. I might do a tiny bit of carving on the top as well, because it's just a flat cut. And yeah, so let's get it out of the pot and have a look at the roots. Just been in some composty soil type stuff, but this time I'm actually going to put it in some Kaizen number 2. So let's have a look, shall we? We're going to start by ragely sort of raking out from the trunk and see what we're left with. As you can see, the roots have kind of gone around the pot, which is an indication that it is time for a repot. I can't remember how long it's been in that pot for, to be honest. There we are, you can see it's got quite a nice spread of roots on it. Doesn't look like there are any new ones, to be honest, but I mean, it's budding out and it's going to leaf out soon, so let's just get it in the pot and some fresh Kaizen soil and see what happens. Yeah, I'd actually be quite sad if this died, because I got it from my grandmother-in-law's garden, who sadly passed away last year. So yeah, it's quite a sentimental little tree, this. And yeah, so we'll get it in the pot. But first, I'm going to use some plasterer's tape hack, which I also got off Jonas. You might have seen Andy at Bonsai Crazy do this the other day. It's just a little drainage screen for the bottom of the pot there. So you just want to get out like a little square, just enough to cover the hole at the bottom. Like so. And then definitely going to have to put some wire through it to hold this tree in. So put that through there. There we go. So, time to put it in a new pot. And as I said, this is K-Zen number 2 from K-Zen Bonsai. I actually bought a box of it last year, and it still to this day remains a mystery who bought that from me, who bought that for me. I've quizzed a few people and they've all denied it. So yeah, whoever you are who bought that, thanks again, because I used it all and bought myself another box recently, like last week. So let's crack on and use that. We'll get a nice little pile in the middle, and I might have to just chop some of these roots. So let's give some of the roots a bit of a chop, especially the longer ones. There we go, I think that'll fit. So then we'll just get them in there as best we can. And we'll just tie the wire in so that it stays in the pot. Like so. I think that's alright in there. I think that's enough bonsai soil. Now I am just going to put a bit of wire on these, just try and get some shape into them. And I'm going to be using some, I'm pretty sure this is like 1.5 mil wire. I know I've got way too much, but it's a bit of unused wire, so we'll just use this. Right, so that's all wired up. I'm just going to put some shape into it now, and We'll see where we are from there. There you go. So I have got an idea of ideally what I'd like this to look like. I'll put a picture up on screen. It's a screenshot I took a few months ago. But this is obviously a much smaller version. So that, if I remember rightly, came out like this. I mean, it's not going to be exactly the same as the one in the screenshot, but as near as damn it. I think that's roughly about how I wanted it. Right, all that's left to do now is to put some moss on it. There we go, guys. That is my first ever bonsai tree, Sycamore, repotted for the second time since I've had it. As you can see, I've put all the moss on it. All that's left to do now is to give it a water and put it outside. But I'll bring you in closer and you can have a proper look at it in a minute. Yeah, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. And please don't forget to give me a like, a sub and a share, and I will catch you in the next one.